Welcome everyone. Today we have a quick tutorial about how to run updates of GOG games on Lutris. The first thing we're gonna need is open Lutris, install from Windows Media File, crypt of this is the game that I'm trying out. Continue, install, continue. We select the setup file. It will open. Okay. Yes, I have read it. Install. And we wait. And now that it's installed, we can exit and it should be installed. Let's just wait. And close. Now what we're gonna do is open here and run exe inside one prefix, and then we run the update or DLC. Okay. Yes, and install. We can run the other one. Okay. And yes, and install. Exit. And the other one. Where's the other one? There it is. We just wait until it's installed. And now we exit. And now our game has its updates and it's ready to go. Thank you for watching.